Hi, it's Diana Willett. I'm back, and I took the bread out of the bread maker here. This is where the bread was. I took the hook out, and here is the cinnamon raisin bread. Now, let's see if I can cut this knife. I'll show you what it looks like inside. It's still a little warm. Now, doesn't that look delicious? It smells so good. Oh, it smells delicious. Alright, I just wanted to show you the results of making this bread. And it came out absolutely delicious. You can toast this, have this for breakfast, make a little French toast with this, whatever you want to do. So this is it. This is the Wolfgang Puck bread maker. It makes delicious bread. It makes a lot of nice things. So try this. You'll enjoy it. Alright, that's it. I'll see you again with another delicious recipe. Bye-bye.